welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, super urgent update on SAVA, Cassava Sciences here trading on the Nasdaq. We have here a price drop of minus 83% in the pre-market, guys. Critical, yeah? I mentioned in my previous video that we have one very strong resistance price level here that SAVA has, of course, squeeze potential, but that's why I always say, guys, please respect the chart. You have to know what the algos are doing, where the algos are selling, where are the resistance levels, and why we have these kind of price drops. Why can SAVA come back down here to $4 in the pre-market? We drop here from $26 to $4. Why is that, guys? I will explain you that here in the video. Everything, of course, here is not a financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart, and of course nobody expect that the stock drops 85% overnight, or also show you the reason. Yeah, it is the reason why that happens, guys. But as I said, the market makers always leave us some hidden signals in the chart that it is predictable where the price has to go down. Guys, before we start here, this is very important. We have Black Friday here for TradingView. So when I show you now here all my drawings and the price levels, that's why I say I am not surprised about price drops like that. I'm trading since many years. I've seen that everything here all. But you have to understand where are the algos waiting to maybe buy this dip. And that's why I can just recommend to get yourself TradingView. We have here this program, guys. What you see here is called TradingView. And we have here the Black Friday sell, guys. Very absolute amazing. We have here 70% discount and 1 month for free. When you take the premium tier right now, I have a special discount link. When you click here on the info icon, you can get access to the special discount link, and you just pay here $16.69 per month for trading. This is a 70% discount on the premium tier. Get your chance right now, guys. When you use here my special discount link, you can save here 70% on the premium tier. This is the right chance now, guys. I think this is just one time per year and just for a few days available, guys. So take your chance now. Yo, guys, first of all, let's talk about the reason. Yeah, the reason they say that here some of their pharmacy products didn't catch here the phase 3 or did not meet the co-primary endpoints, blah blah. You can read that by yourself. You can pause the video, guys. I honestly don't care what they tell you, what kind of reasons they have, because when this gets released, this kind of SEC filing gets released, guys, and you see a price drop from minus 83% in the pre-market, this is not retail investors, guys. This is institutions, so they're manipulating the price. And I said to you that I'm not surprised. So when we enable, or when we just have a quick look here in the chart, all the orange fields here, guys, are open gaps to the downside. I say that every time again. I said that for AMC. I say that also for Gamestop. Even everything looks super bullish. And of course, the market is squeezing, guys. We have a lot of short squeeze chances right now. But when you see open gaps in a daily chart like this one here, $7.74, $3.40, $2.11 for SAVA, that means the algos will try to close these gaps. And the chance that this happens is about 90%. So that's why nobody can say, I'm surprised that this happens, guys. We had here a massive squeeze for SAVA and we still had squeeze potential, but you can see that the market makers always find a way to get the lowest possible price and create here a massive drama in the pre-market. And I said that before when we now enable here my drawings. Then I told you guys, yeah, this is everything here based on my last video just a couple of days ago. I made this upload. 31.39 is a very strong resistance. If we don't break 31.39 with volume, yeah, we played here ping pong between 25 and 31. There was a very good squeeze potential, guys. Don't get me wrong. It was super bullish. Yeah, we had here a very strong squeeze potential because two liquidity zones here supported the price. But I just want to tell you, take your profits, because the market can be very rude, and you can see what happens here right now with SAVA, guys. And also the price range which I expected here the algos to buy in, so the lowest possible price range which I see. Never I change my charts, guys. You can see all my previous videos, the drawings are the same. This liquidity zone here is in favor for the bulls between $3.11 and $3.68. So we have to see if the bulls still take here this chance, yeah, to buy the dip. And of course we start to close here all these gaps on the way down, and we have to check now here in the 4 hours chart where the price already went. And you can see we still haven't been yet in the liquidity zone here This is usually where the bullish algos are waiting, and if we don't have delusion here for SAVA, and I don't found any solution, that means that in my opinion the algos will snap in here between $3.10 and $3.67, 68. You can see here we almost hit already here this price range. This is of course a very, very horrible scenario. I'm sorry for everyone, guys, but I always had here $7.75 in my chart, one of the very important open gaps for SAVA, guys. And of course with this price range, with this price move here, I'm sorry guys, we will close this open gap. This is what happens now here for SAVA. Keep that in mind. Everything here until $3.10 is still a bullish support. If we don't hold $3.10, guys, then it could get really ugly, because we have still more open gaps to the downside. Even here $1.33 is a potential price. No drama, no squeeze. Also, of course, the market makers, I also said that, guys, we have this trend channel pattern here. Let me go back one more time. Yeah, I don't want to be here mean to you guys, but this is trading. Yeah, that's why I said I'm not surprised. We have this trend channel pattern here, and you can see that every time usually we hit the bottom of this trend channel and see a squeeze reaction, bottom squeeze reaction, bottom squeeze reaction, and so on. So that's why I say, yes, it is possible that a stock creates a new trend and squeeze out of this trend channel. We had here several attempts, but this is what the market makers do. And when we see where the bottom of the trend channel is based on the price today, we're talking here about $70.50. So what could happen next is that we see here a massive rebound reaction. That could be easy a 100% rebound if we come back down here in the $3.70 range, or let's say in the $4 range here, and we retest here the bottom of this trend channel, guys. That is easy a pump of 90% here possible for SAVA. Yeah, guys, that's why it's so important to work with a stop loss and to take profits. Yeah, don't be too greedy. The market can be very brutal, guys. And I also try to predict your short squeezes every week. While I'm recording this video right now, one of my tickers is squeezing actually here more than 109%. I checked the price, guys. I released my hot stock video yesterday. Yeah, I always release on Sunday my so-called hot stocks, and when I show these videos, that means that these tickers here have high squeeze potential, and I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next trading days. There is never a guarantee. You can see here some of the member feedbacks, but we can see that just one day after my video release, this ticker now is squeezing here more than 109% already here in the pre-market, guys. So when you want to see some short squeeze plays, I hope you can live with this kind of drop here with SAVA. Then you can, of course, join our trading community. We're growing every day, guys, getting bigger and stronger. And the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. And if you click also the info icon here, you get access to the Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, guys. We have here a lot of squeeze opportunities, and everybody is welcome to join in. Yo guys, so the game plan, yeah, when you have something like that, then that means when the market starts to trade, usually a lot of stop losses get triggered. We could fall lower than that. Yeah, we could fall even lower than that. However, my personal game plan here, if SAVA is not diluting or whatsoever, I mean, guys, they have $1.2 billion market capital based on this price. So that will now see a huge cut. So be careful here. But as I mentioned here for you guys, the price range where I expect a rebound is $3.10 to $4. But if this kind of gap downs start to continue, yeah, be very careful. I work with a stop loss here as well, because we could easily drop down here to $1.33, and then all the open down gaps here in the daily chart would be closed. Yeah, so be very careful with that. Also, we have to accept here that the RSI, you know, is not in a very good spot here. We see something here like support, yeah, but this is not, we need drama. When you want to see a short squeeze, we have to see drama, same like we had here. That was a huge shakeout here in the RSI, and then immediately the reaction was a squeeze, which I also, by the way, predicted, guys. I released my video on SAVA here 17th of July, and then you can see immediately SAVA started to squeeze. But I will keep you updated here on this ticker. If you like this content, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Take a deep breath, guys. Yeah, this is, you know, I mean, it's worst, but just, you know, give the market a few days and I will update you here on this ticker as well. And don't forget to take your chance right now. This is a very good opportunity now here to get 70% discount on TradingView, guys. All the links are available here in the info icon. Guys, thank you so much for your time. I wish you great success and thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Ja, weiterhin viel Erfolg mit SAVA und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.